Hello lovelies, let's make some delicious jollof rice with assorted meat stew. It sounds delicious, right? You guys, this recipe right here is more than delicious. If you want to know how I made this, stick around and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I will cook the proteins and I'm using beef and goat tripe. I will add bonnet because I have already cooked it. And for the seasoning, I will go in with seasoning cubes, thyme, minced ginger and garlic, chopped onions, curry powder and salt. I will combine thoroughly and allow it to cook on its own juice for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I will add the pomo, add water, allow everything to cook properly. Next, I will prep my pepper mix and I've got chili pepper, ginger, tatashe and onions. I will blend and set it aside. At this time, I check on the proteins and it's fully cooked. Next, I will take it out from the fire and set it aside. Now let's make the stew base for the jollof rice. In my preheated oil, I will go in with my chopped onions and minced ginger. I'm going to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Next, I will go in with my tomato paste and thyme. I will combine thoroughly and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Once that is done, I will go in with my pepper mix and season with seasoning cubes, white pepper and smoked paprika powder. I will combine thoroughly and allow it to fry very well. Next, I will go in with my parboiled rice and mix thoroughly. I will proceed by adding the stock. Mix to combine and don't forget to taste for salt. Once everything is okay, I will cover with foil and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. While that is cooking, I will make the assorted meat stew by adding oil in my cooking pot and allow it to heat up. Next, I will go in with my chopped onions, minced ginger, curry powder and thyme. I will fry for a while. Next, I will go in with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I want the stew to be light, so I'm not gonna add too much. I'm going to fry for a while until the sour taste is gone. Next, I will go in with my pepper mix and season with seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will go in with the stock as well as the assorted meat. I will mix to combine and cook for 5 minutes on a low heat. Now let's check on our rice. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. I will give it a good stir and add my butter for more flavor. I will mix again and cover with foil for 5 minutes. And after that, our jollof rice and peppered stew is ready. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. For me, I find happiness in every dish. Thank you and always be positive. Bye guys.